All right, folks, for you aspiring models at home, Runway and etiquette coach Swan Callum is here to offer guidance and share insights to help you to pursue a career in modeling. Well, she see me and she knows that me's a model already. She'll also be putting her coaching skill to use by showing Sim how to strut the runway and strike a pose. I said Sim deliberately because I know these things, so I don't need anybody to teach me anything. Swana, what one?
I'm good. How are you? Thank you for having me.
It is our pleasure, and I'm well. Give thanks. Why modeling in the first place with you, and how long you been doing this?
Okay, so I've actually been doing this since I'm 13. 13 years old, thanks to my mom. You know, she's the one who pretty much inspired everything. So yeah, I mean, it hasn't been an easy journey, but it hasn't been hard. You know, being 5'6.5", I have been declined by multiple modeling agencies because they prefer taller, skinnier people. But I use that platform, I use that entire process to just focus on building myself alone, focusing on building the Swan Callum brand, and you know, it definitely worked out. Okay. As a freelance model.
Tell me about some of the work you've done, some of the brands you've worked with, and where you've worked.
So I've worked all across the country. You know, I've done international work. I've been published in lots of magazines online. Yeah, I mean, I've done from campaigns to magazines, ads, you name it, fashion shows.
Okay. All right, and so now you are the School of Modeling. When did you launch it?
I launched it last year. However, we launched on social media in February.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how's that going?
It's going pretty good. We're getting a really, really good response from younger people and older people as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What is a modeling portfolio? What does that mean?
So modeling portfolio is, you know, it's pretty much an insight of what you do, your work, how you look. So how to present yourself to a modeling agency. You do need a portfolio it's required before you go to a modeling agency. So they could tell, you know, your attributes and all that type of stuff.
Yeah. Like you're real.
You know, this Swana laugh after me when I ask her what is a modeling portfolio. Just Swana look at me and say, okay, now look at dunce.
People laugh after you all the while for different reasons. It's okay. And so, this morning you're going to teach us a little bit about the world of modeling and also some practical things. But what are some of the different types of...
He's ready.
But you can show me with him. Swana, go ahead.
Okay.
What are some of the different types of poses, not poses, but the different types of shoots that you can have? So you have editorial, you have,
right.
What are the different
You have editorial, you have beauty, you have commercial.
Tell me what the differences are. So editorial would be more like what?
High fashion, you know, fierce, all that type of stuff. Crazy hair, crazy outfits.
Mm-hmm. Avant-garde.
Right,
yeah.
Definitely.
Okay.
You have body parts, you use like hands, feet, you know, different stuff, ears, hair, stuff like that. You know, you have commercial, mainly TV commercials and stuff that is considered being a model as well. Mm-hmm. So, you know, it depends on your height, your size, whatever you prefer.
Okay.
And the same thing obtains for a man, a male model,
definitely,
and a female. Same
definitely,
thing?
100%.
Walk the same way, look the same.
You guys don't walk like women, of course, but, you know, the confidence, the strutting, everything.
Hey. Show me.
Ow!
Show
me. All right, so as a man, you know, just be yourself.
Which is me.
You know, just all you got to do is just take longer strides.
Take longer strides.
It's all in the eyes. Longer strides. So your legs,
yeah.
Longer strides.
Ready?
Ready?
And down here?
Mm-hmm.
So me alone I walk?
No, I'll walk with you.
All right, come on. Longer strides.
Longer strides.
All right.
But just make it normal though, like a man.
How me look?
And then you look pretty good.
How me look?
You look good. That's good.
I think that nice.
Try, though.
No, I'm busy over here. Come Nev, let's try that again. I think you tried it to be a little
more comfortable. Relax. Don't be too forceful.
Well, she was going to tell me I must take longer. All right, well, Anna, we can do it her way first, then your way. All right, so her way. Long. We don't know how much longer.
Good job. No, do it the right way, because Swana is a coach. And a bad. So
all right,
this
so
is
you
like
don't move, just watch me and tell me where I'm. What? So you said just be myself.
Your posture as well.
Oh,
yep.
Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wow.
You got more on about.
It look like it too.
Okay.
All right.
Take longer strides, but don't do too much. Okay, just relax.
Just like that.
You're a bit stiff, so just
wow.
You just hold me up a while ago.
Yeah, you gotta relax, but you still have to make it flow.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Like stiff still. You know?
Walk with it. Hey.
No, she said that look.
Shut up and walk. Okay. Shut up and walk. Okay.
Okay.
Turn back.
That all okay right. Sound like.
Anyway.
Ready?
Back. Ready.
Oh. Oops.
Okay.
How you think I think you did well. I think you did pretty good.
That is a what? Runway walk?
For him. For
okay.
me, it's a bit different.
Okay.
You know, you have runway, you have pageant. So for runway, you're gonna pretty much cross and you're gonna take the same long stride.
Where am I crossing?
So you can put your hands here. You can start off like this.
My waist?
Yeah.
Start off like this.
And then you're pretty much doing this. Yeah. See?
What's that? That don't look so wonderful.
Aaron Cooper, look at your mother.
It's her first time.
Oh, it's her first time. That looks so wonderful.
Get in there. He's a hater.
He's a hater. Long time. Like she just reached out, she figured out he's a hater. Stand by. Oh, why? I have to go again?
Go again.
Okay. Come walk with me, Nasser.
Okay, ready?
There you go.
And then you could probably do like a turn. And then you pose. Yeah. Turn.
Coming back now. Hey. That don't.
He's doing bodybuilding.
Give us an avant-garde pose for Nev now.
For him?
Yes.
Okay.
So you're wearing a fashionable outfit and it's, very out of the ordinary. Mm-hmm. And now he wants to do something dramatic with his face.
I mean, usually if you're wearing, with his face.
Yes.
Let's see.
Let's do dramatic and then we'll do seductive. I'm the director. Let's go.
All right. So for definitely the outfit, if you're doing like a big piece, when you're posing, it's always best to keep moving.
Oh.
It's always best to keep moving. It's good to make your outfit flow.
Oh, so like the pan of things.
Right.
So
you just
right.
Yeah, I mean.
I don't know what your foot. I don't know what the foot one. Okay, seductive. Come, Swan.
It's on the eyes.
Oh,
it's on the eyes. I think he has it though. It's on the eyes.
No. That is sleepy. One seductive.
On the eyes. So if you're gonna,
Swana, there are some people. There are some people you cannot help. Swana, come sit down. Come sit down. Swana, where do we reach you? Folks watching this now, and do you have you cater to a certain demographic? Is it just young people that you're?
Oh no, we start from ages 4 to 40 plus.
What?
Yeah.
And how long is a course typically, or does it depend on the stage that the model is at?
Okay, so we offer over 30 different courses, so it really depends on what you enroll in.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, so we find you at
SCS Modeling.
SCSmodeling.com.
on Instagram, SCS Modeling.
Okay,
yeah.
Very cool.
Nice one.
I think so.
Oh, nice.
Good job. Runway and etiquette coach Swan Callum teaching us a thing or 6 this morning. After the break, oh gosh, Nefred and I are going to be competing in a cup stacking challenge. Yeah. But we go to break with his seductive look.
Yeah, and by the way, if you, for whatever reason you can't find Swana, just call me.
555-00-0. If you're out of town, just add 1. All right, seductive to break. Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Seductive.
All right. No.
Seductive to break.
Yeah. Well, what I'm going to say, I can do it seductively. No, when you hear me, I know, because up next is I win.
Oh, no.